Is that your hamburger? Would you like?
You should put it up to his hand like the hamburger, see if he'll take a bite.
He knows that he likes the patty only. This is not the first time he's done this. There's never enough ketchup. Sorry to tell you this, Maylis and Ann, but this proves that he's a true American. Right here. Ketchup on everything. That's alright. This summer we can teach him how to put gravy on everything. We're going to balance him out a little bit.
And cheese.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. You should probably swallow what's in your mouth first, honey.
Want something to drink?
He's a deconstructionist. Oh, that's ketchup too. Man, it's everywhere. Is it good, Miles? Uh-oh.